I watched her wedding from the rain. This is me and my love. I used to believe sunsets were beautiful, until the day they reminded me of her. She walked into my world like sunlight, soft, warm, and impossible to ignore. We danced in the rain without fear, because love made us feel untouchable. But one night, a single message changed everything. She wouldn't look at me, and somehow, that silence hurt more than words. When she turned away, I felt my world turn with her. The rain kept falling, as if the sky understood what I couldn't say. I replayed our memories over and over, hoping they would hurt less. We were just two hearts, chasing forever, not knowing forever had an ending. And then I saw her name beside someone else's. I come her wedding, I looked her, she looked beautiful, just not mine anymore. I watched from afar, loving her quietly, one last time. But pain has a strange way of shaping you, if you let it. So I chose to rise not for revenge, but for myself.
They saw success, but they didn't see the heartbreak that built it. But from that heartbreak, we built a positive future. Together, we can achieve anything.
Suddenly, I saw her. And then, our eyes met again. There was love, there was regret, but there was also peace. Because sometimes goodbye isn't the end.